What is going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome to Epic Whipz, mate. And today, well, what we have here is a nice front bumper that we're gonna try to install. Never worked with this material. It's polyurethane. It's from KBD body kits. See right here. Boom. It looks pretty good. The quality of this is very good. Came in a small ass box, but after sitting in sunlight after a day or so, it forms to its natural shape. So I know we're gonna have some cutting to do, and I know I might have to go to Home Depot to get some of these tools, but we're just gonna start it because we're gonna have to start it sooner or later. So let's do it. Let's get to it. That's what the old one looks like. Alright, so we got the front bumper off. Pretty simple. Where your side markers are, it's like, I think it was a 10 up there. A 10 up here somewhere. But you'll see it. And just unscrew that pops out. Simple. Unscrew the light bulb and comes out easily. Once you do all that, I don't know, it was probably more for you guys at the bottom because I didn't have that under tray underneath there, so there's probably some rivets or screws underneath there you have to take off. I think it's quite a few, yeah. I think it's quite a few at the bottom you have to take off, so do that. As you can see, I don't have that piece right here, or do I? But anyway, it's the front bumper. All right, we're talking about the front bumper. What we're gonna be doing, obviously, the front bumper here has a bigger intake in the front, so this is going to be visible, so that's why I'm going to take this off. I'm going to keep this because this looks like it keeps that structure of that front part intact, so I'm going to keep that on there. I'm going to take this off and spray paint this front because if I remember correctly, this is going to be noticeable and this silver will pop out, so I'm going to spray paint that black. I'm actually gonna get rid of this whole shit right here. I don't like it. It's weight reduction, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it sounds like a lot cleaner, a lot better. Then I'm gonna, oh yeah. Also, I know that these will not be able to work with that new front bumper, so gotta take off this, whatever this shit is. Take this off, but obviously keep that oil cooler. So, but definitely take this off. Take that side off and then try to test the front bumper and see where we're at, see what adjustments we have to make. All right, let's do it. So it's the first fitment. Literally all I did was I didn't even really paint that. It was a primer I had. Looks black, whatever. Put it back on there. Screwed these on, and then actually test fitted the front bumper, and honestly, the first fitment is not that bad. I'm very surprised. Just get it in there. It's really snug on the headlight area. It's pretty good right there. I'm gonna put down the hood soon, see how that is. We can just work with this a little bit, get the holes right. I think that'll be pretty fine. And let's go over here. On this side, it's snug in there as well. Pretty snug. Might have to do a little adjustments over in this area. It's a little adjustment in let me show you. This area, it's a little adjustment in there. And we can get that snug in there easily, I feel. So, definitely, let me put this hood down. Once we actually get those screws intact in there, we're definitely going to have to push this down, so that we'll definitely get that during situation. That's easy. This side is pretty simple. Looks like we just need to cut a little on here on the inside to push it down more. But oh shit. But it's not that bad, mate. It's not that bad. Okay. Okay. We coming, playboy. Playboy, take me out, playboy. All right, let's get to work. Not that bad. Side angle. Ooh, I'm liking it. So what I did is pretty much use some chalk. I gotta get this down more, so I gotta cut that area. So I'm just using the chalk to see what area I gotta cut. Do that and see how it comes out. All right, mates, check me out, mate. Check me out. So it wasn't even that much cutting I had to do. Ironically, I did more cutting. Let me show you. On this side, like in this area, I did a lot of cutting in this area. That's probably why it's a little bit more inside there. But on this side, I didn't do no cutting whatsoever. I did not do no cutting whatsoever. What I ended up doing is these brackets that's on the side. I think this one, yeah. I think this one's like here. I think this one goes here. So what these brackets, these are clips for the old bumper to fit into, but this new bumper doesn't have those things. So literally took it off and it fit perfectly, literally. I was so surprised. So the fitment right now, where the lights are and everything, if you want to check it out, it is pretty close in there. It's literally in there. And this side as well. It's very good. I'm quite surprised. This literally fit better than my carbon fiber front bumper, honestly. But anyways, so what's next is we're gonna be putting the splash guards and on a tray. Oh yeah. Let me bring that out for you. Got some new splash guards. There we go. Kudos, RX8 performance. I'm probably gonna get more parts from this guy. We're gonna put this in. Love how it has all these in here, so you can put the screws wherever you choose fit. That's pretty good. Very nice. Very nice. So, gonna install these two things and put everything together, sit the car down, and see what it looks like, right, boy? Ooh, playboy, we coming. Slowly but surely, but we coming. That is, oh man, this is gonna be epic. This is gonna be epic, mate. I just can't wait.